This is an absolute mess. I'm not dealing with this now. I'm going to grab a coffee. Oh, that's much better now. House is a mess, room's a mess, but I get a responsibility, just going for a walk. Only so many coffees I can have before I need to attack this room. As you saw earlier, the room's an absolute mess. So time to clean it up before getting stuck in some JavaScript. So cue the, what's it called? The time lapse. In 3, 2, 1, and go. Call me JetBlue. I'm in the air. You still walking. Let's go. The room looks a lot better now. We packed for next week work, and now we're just, I don't know. We're gonna have to deal with this desk. Well, I kind of have to. You guys can watch. Yeah, that's the next step. Deal with this desk and I'll eventually get some work done. Yeah? Right, break. At least I managed to finally get my room to a decent standard, and after procrastinating for the last couple of hours, we now carry on from what I didn't do last week, which is build a JavaScript rock, paper, scissors game through the console. So we're going to be doing that for the next few hours, and we're going to be finishing it, hopefully. So, cue the video. I thought this was going to be slightly easier than I was expecting. But I'm having trouble here with having console log actually give me an option of, actually give me a results of what the computer selected. Like, I can imagine, it's kind of working, but the computer is winning all the time. But I don't know why the computer is winning all the time, because it's not giving me what it's selecting, even though console log is there, and I've checked everything over like 7,000 times. I just don't know where I'm missing it. I really don't know why. It's not right. Oh, you've gotta be kidding me. This is it. Oh my, that was stupid. My problem why console log wasn't working? Because I spelled length incorrectly. I put the H in front of the T and I didn't notice it. Unbelievable. No, let's finish this. This is ridiculous, the amount of stupid mistakes. The stupid ways to fix something. It's ridiculous sometimes. It's save, and we're done. I think, yeah. So we managed to get it to work. So we had a rock, paper, scissors game to do. Had to play a minimum 5 rounds, display the winner, and basically have the computer choose at random between 3 choices, and I think we managed. And just to come clean about this, I was following the video just to have a bit more guidance on it and how to follow it, but I think I managed to understand it. So I'll show you the code. Well, I'll show you the finishing product. So obviously here you can go and type in. So we can type rock 5 times, and then it'll display who won that round. So we say it there. computer chose rook, player choice rook, and then this was a tie on the round. Anyways, we'll change that in a second. And then from there on, we can do the same for different things. So you can go back to paper, different choice. This time, player won the round. We can go paper again. And then same again, tie was the time. Then we'll go again. So then it kind of goes into it. So managed to do it, and then here's the whole code. So we started by, so obviously we have 2 constants on the end. The choices are always the same choices, and then obviously the winners get filled out on the array, and they have the plenty of functions of the game itself and the amount of rounds. So obviously it starts at 0 and then goes up to 5, and then yeah, so this is a whole little bit of code. This was it was here, somewhere around here, that's here, where I couldn't get the console log to work. So because I spelled this HT instead of TH. But then yeah, things that's been kind of like, I've been making sure, I've been wanting to do it all week, and I started it on the last vlog, but I just didn't have time around to do it. But yeah, so I think I'm going to be doing a lot of this, kind of following the projects with videos on YouTube to understand it. There's a couple of great creators on YouTube that are doing this sort of projects and just kind of breaking it down very simply. So it's good for me to follow those things, because I can really, I can understand it a little better when someone's kind of going through it. Although I eventually try and start doing things on my own, it's good to see someone do it and then you follow it along. But yeah, that's good fun actually. It wasn't that bad, but yeah, I guess I followed it. But that is it from me today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.